we are with a brand new episode of Season 5 Dance Ke Superstar, Siddhant Gadekar Dance Academy. All this while we met all the blooming dancers, the upcoming dancers who were participating for the summer camp. Let us now move on to the professionals who are his gang, the brand ambassadors of the Dance Academy. They are there for all the competitive levels, and most of the time it's their pride to get the first prize. If they are around, the trophy is always theirs. Let us hear a couple of words from them. How does it feel and how many years have you been dancing?
Since 5 years.
Since 5 years, and it feels amazing.
Yeah, same.
Every year, some new steps, some new dance, some new sequences?
Yes.
How many competitions से अंदाजान एक वर्षान तुम्ही कितले competitions भाग घेतात?
Infinite.
Infinite.
Like say about 10-20 competitions you participate.
Yeah.
Most of the time, what are the prizes you get?
Second.
So no doubt, first is 99% yours.
Yes.
Okay, so you're a gang, and now what do you consider yourself? I think you look more like a family now, huh?
Yes.
All of you in one school?
No.
Different schools?
Yes.
All different age group?
Yes.
So tell me, by now, is the sir still teaching you, or you're teaching the sir now?
No, he teaches us.
Okay, so do you all practice only during just for a couple of hours like the other children down, or you all, how long do you all practice?
4 hours.
5 hours.
4 to 5 hours.
Okay, and doesn't affect your studies?
No.
You cover it up
Yeah.
somehow?
Yes.
Okay, come. I think some of you or some of your seniors have also been done international dancing. They have gone abroad.
Yes.
Any one of you who's still there? Okay, you all have gone abroad. So these are the international NRI dancers of the Siddhant Gadekar Dance Academy. And I think the girls are all set with their bags to move next. Would you like to go?
Yes.
So how does it feel being a part of the academy? Can I hear you say in one voice? Thank you, students. This is a lovely bunch of students, the pride of the academy, Siddhant Gadekar, and here they are with season 5. All right, different students, different areas, and different teams. Here we have one yellow team I can see. किती तुमचे टीमीचे नाव किती आसा?
Margam BPS rocks.
Okay. So can I hear everybody say that at 3, 2, 1?
Margam BPS rocks.
All right, this is the BPS team practicing. I think for how long are you all practicing the dance for?
2 months.
So entire summer vacation.
Yeah, entire summer vacation.
And what is this for?
This is for my daughter.
How old is your daughter?
She's 5 years.
Okay, so we have the energetic mother all set to dance along with the daughter.
Yes,
So if you're called on the stage, you're going to be doing
I
some dance.
will.
All right, all the best to the BPS team. Yellow. Who's there dancing? The entire family is here. Who's come? You're come to see whom?
My daughter and her son.
Your son.
So the two of them are sisters.
Both are sisters.
So it's our daughter and our godson.
Okay, so along with the niece, the whole gang is come. Is this the grandmother?
Yeah, and she's a grandmother.
Okay, so how does it feel that your child is going to be dancing?
Yeah, feels
What?
good.
Have any one of you done any dance performances?
No.
So you want to see yourself in your child, huh?
Yes.
Okay, we wish you all the best. Thank you.
We come from Kucharam,
Kucharam.
from Margam branch,
But your child is going for where is he going
the
to?
Komba branch.
Kolva.
Komba.
Komba one.
Yes.
Okay, so how does it feel being a part of the dance academy?
In fact, I'm living my dream through them. Yeah.
Two of them are there.
3 of them, elder one and 2 twin daughters of mine. So 3 of them are participating.
Twins. How old are the twins?
7 years.
And how's the elder one?
Elder one is 11.
You have come with them.
Yeah, she's my mother-in-law and my husband.
So the mother-in-law wants to see the grandchildren.
She's
dance.
also supporting them with the green.
Oh, with the green. So green is your color, okay?
Yes.
All right, that's lovely to see you dancing. But how did you realize that your child is good in it and you want to put him in the academy?
In fact, from small only they had the liking when we used to be going for some shows or televisions or on the music and all. I used to see them hopping and dancing, doing a little hip hop. So
You
yes,
didn't get the chance.
I did not get the chance for my childhood. So definitely I am putting them across.
Why did you choose Siddhant Gadekar Dance Academy?
He is very competitive and very good with the children. Discipline wise also I see them growing up very well. It's not like done haphazard way. So very nicely done. Coordination is there. And he's very good with the children, very loving.
You couldn't go anywhere for your summer vacation.
No, not really.
Kids had a busy schedule.
Yeah,
of the
so it
dance.
was like Goa special for us this time.
Okay. So I believe that henceforth you have to ask their dancing schedule and make your plans.
Definitely.
All right. I hope you live all your dreams through them. Congratulations to you. All right. Here we are with the man himself, Mr. Siddhant Garekar, with season 5. Let us see what he has in store. What does he would like to share about this event of his?
Okay, basically this is our fifth season 5. We almost completed 5 years, and it really feels wonderful. एक खरे बरे इसता की आता almost आम्ही 5 वर्षा काढली. It was not so easy this journey, and this credit goes to all the parents who supported me and all the kids. Because of their support and blessing, it wouldn't have been possible. And especially my mom and dad who have supported me from the start when I started my academy, and my instructor who worked really hard to make this event wonderful and amazing, upgrading every year. And I hope even this year it will be like more energetic and more एक level up for this event. And thanks a lot.
But what are the age group that you consider when you do your summer camps?
There is no age limit actually. It's open for everyone. We start from 3 years basically. From 3 years till 35 years we have kids performing here.
So today you have all different branches, all coming under one roof.
Yes, from Verna Kortalim to Kunkolim, we covered almost 9 to 10 branches. It's like every year we increase one branch. It's like so we started with 2, 3. Now it's almost 9 branches we are having from after completing 5 years.
So how amazing feeling 5 years down the line, and you can see this crowd just waiting for it to start and go bang bang. We would like to know what are your future plans?
Future plan, see like Goa is very famous for its beaches, like, and it's very famous for other extracurricular activities. But when it comes to dancing, people always say that why you don't send your kids to Mumbai? Why? Everything is they prefer Mumbai too much when it comes to dancing, because the hype in Goa is very low, because some parents don't support because they feel there is no future and the kids can't grow up into dancing. And my aim is like I want to grow up into dancing. I want to take a level from year to year in Goa and prove that even we Goans are not lacking behind. Even we Goans can prove it, and one day even Goa will be recognized for its dancing.
All right, congratulations for all the ladders that you have climbed up, right from state level to international. We wish you all the best.
Thank you so much.
का स्वागत का धागा टूटे ना, इश्क का धागा टूटे ना। नैनों से बहते इश्कों के धारों में हमने तुझको देखा चांद सितारों में। विरहा की अग्नि में पल पल तपती है, अब तो सांसें तेरी माला जपती है। तेरे लिए तेरे लिए तेरे लिए इस दुनिया का हर सितम है गवारा सनम। हो हर सितम है गवारा सनम। तेरे नाम हमने किया है जीवन अपना सारा सनम। हो जीवन अपना सारा